What's up, you guys? Jason Wardrop here, and in today's video I'm going to break down the top 3 Facebook and Instagram ads for realtors. So I'm going to show you guys exactly step by step how this is all set up, so you guys can have no questions on how to get started to start generating leads on Facebook and or Instagram, because Facebook owns Instagram, so it all works. And also, real quick, if you guys do want this Facebook ad copy of my best 3 Facebook ads for realtors, just go ahead, drop a comment down below, just type in real estate leads and I'll share that with you. All right, so anyway, let's get to the details here. So this first one, this is go through and market a listing. So if you have a listing you want to go through and market, or let's say you don't have a listing but another agent in your office has a listing, then that works perfect too. Just make sure you get their permission. And so this is exactly what the Facebook or even the Instagram ad will look like. Okay, so I'm basically gonna say something like new listing, and I like to do the hashtag because it goes and pops up in blue right there. It's a little more catchy in someone's newsfeed as they're scrolling through on their phone or on their laptop. And then I also like to throw in some emojis because it makes it a little bit more fun, right? It makes it pop a little bit more. So we got new listing, see it before anyone else, 5 beds, and I would probably put 3 baths, 4 baths, how many bathrooms it has. Go here to get the price, location, plus more pictures. So this is linking out to a landing page. And then also here in a second, I'll show you guys how we can actually get this set up with what is called a Facebook lead form ad. So it's basically the same concept. Somebody sees the ad, they click on it. This one's going to a landing page where then the person goes in, they click on this, put in their name, their email and phone, and hit submit, and they become a lead in your database, right? Well, lead form ad is the same type of concept, but instead of going to a landing page, it's an internal system inside of Facebook. And the cool thing is it auto-populates the person's name, phone number, and email address inside of the Facebook lead format. Okay, so back here really quick, what I like to do is usually put a picture of the front of the home. And if you have more pictures, then great, you can go through and add those to the post as well. But underneath, go here to get price, location, plus more pics. Okay, I usually like to have 1 to 2 paragraphs covering kind of the hot points, the details about the home. Does it have vaulted ceilings, stainless steel appliances? Maybe if you're going after a specific demographic with family and kids, you say it's close to nearby parks and great schools, different things like that. And at the end, I like to finish it up one more time with the call to action to go here to get the price, address, plus more pictures. So that's what we're holding back in exchange for the visitor's contact information, right? So they come here, they see this listing, and they're like, oh man, this looks great. And then they go and they click on this link to go to the landing page. Now this ad right here consistently outperforms all other Facebook ads for realtors. So if you want an easy win, this is a great way to go through and start getting a consistent lead flow. We time and time again see leads for less than $5 using this exact Facebook ad. Okay, now I want to show you guys another one. Let's say you don't have a listing to market for your real estate business. No worries, we still got you covered. So this one is for buyer leads. Okay, so we got over here, this is another template. It says attention your city. So it's super easy. You can go through and fill in the blanks. And once again, if you guys do want these Facebook ad templates, if you're a real estate agent, then just go ahead, type in real estate leads down in the comment. Also give this video a thumbs up, and I will go through and share all of the ad templates and the copy, everything with you, so you can implement this into your business. So it's gonna say attention Dallas, attention Phoenix, Denver, wherever you're located. Do you know anyone looking to buy a home? Okay, and you can even say, are you or anyone you know looking to buy a home, because then you're calling out that person specifically. And this says follow here. So once again, this is where they go and click out to a landing page so we can capture their contact information. This one's obviously just set up as a test site right there, but we could also set this up as a lead form, and we could say instead of follow here, we could say click below, okay, to get more information. Okay, and so we've compiled a free report of homes for sale under 350,000, under 500,000, under 600,000, whatever the value of home you like to particularly work with, right? And it says some of these homes may even qualify for special financing programs. Follow here, one last little call to action there, thanks, and then you have your name right there to kind of personalize it. And the great thing is, what you want to do with all of these Facebook ads is you want to have it coming from your business page. Okay, so you see this is demo ad examples. So my name's Jason Wardrop, so I would probably put Jason Wardrop Realty or Jason Wardrop wherever you're located Realty. Okay, because you want to brand yourself and you want to have this profile picture to be a headshot so they can actually see you. Okay, because that's a big thing about Facebook, about Instagram advertising, is you want to brand yourself, the individual. Because let's say one day you're with Keller Williams and then something happens, you're like, I'm gonna jump to Remax or EXP Realty or Berkshire Hathaway, whatever group you jump with, you have branded yourself, so you're not going through and branding that specific company, right? So that's just a lot smarter way to go through and do it. And then what you want to do, we obviously have a few different homes listed right here. You'll just want to have an image of one home, but you'll want to have an image of a home in your specific area. The reason why is because if you think about it, homes in New Hampshire versus Miami or Denver or Phoenix, Arizona, all those homes are going to look a little bit different, right? So if you don't have a home, an image of a home that matches your specific area, then it's going to kind of turn people off and be like, well, that's not like that's a home in Southern California and we're up in New York City or something like that, right? So that's where you want to go through and make sure that the home matches what you're actually doing right there. Okay, and then the third and final one, and then I'm going to show you guys, actually, if you guys stick around here with me to the end, how to set this up super easy. Just basically copy and paste all this stuff that I've got going for you. Okay, and then the third one, we've got an open house. So this one, obviously, if you have an open house and you're going through and you've got a listing, so it's the open house this Friday at 6 p.m. Here is the address. Okay, get the video walkthrough and e-brochure. Once again, you're linking out to that landing page because the whole concept is we want to go through and send people to a landing page or a lead capture form so we can grab their name, phone number, and email address. We don't want to send people to our website or even our blog because that distracts people and our conversion rates are a lot lower. Okay, so then we go through, we have a few more details, so very similar to that listing leads ad, a few details that are going to be the hot details about this home, about this listing. Then once again, the address, and then get the video walkthrough plus e-brochure here. And then we can follow up with them and make sure that they're actually coming to this open house, right? And then what we do once again is we add an exterior photo of the home that we're going to have the open house with. And if you wanted to, you can go through and add some more photos. Okay, once again, if you guys want all of these Facebook ad copy, just drop a comment down below, just say real estate leads, and I'll be able to share all this with you guys. Okay, so now you might be wondering, well, Jason, this is all great, but how do I actually set up my Facebook ads, and how do I get this implemented with the Facebook tracking? That sounds like tons of technical work. I don't really know how to do this. I'm not very skilled at this. So I wanted to show you guys a very simple way to go through and set all of this up. Okay, we've made this so that you can get all these ads set up with the Facebook ad, Facebook tracking, the landing page, a 12-month email and SMS follow-up, plus be able to book appointments with all the leads that you're generating and get it done in just 3 clicks. Okay, so I want to show you guys really quick. So this is the Arsenal system. So this is the main dashboard, right? So it says, what would you like to do today? Would you like to market a listing, market an open house, or market for buyer leads? And remember, those are the best 3 Facebook ads I barely just showed you. So let's say we want to market for buyer leads. Okay, let's say, oh, I don't have a listing, I just want to generate buyer leads. So we're going to click right here. So this is start your campaign, and then we're going to put in a campaign name. Okay, so this is just going to be a test demo. What's the average deal size? Well, we like to work with 500,000, and we are in the Phoenix, Arizona area. And actually, let's put Denver because I got a home that looks more like a Denver home. So we're going to come over here, and we will click on my home I've got on my desktop, upload that. That's it. That's pretty much all you have to do. And then all we're going to do is click on next, and it says, okay, great, where would you like to send your lead after opting in? So after they put in their name, phone number, and email address, what would you like to do? Where would you like to send them? Would you like to send them to your Facebook page, to your website, to book an appointment with you? And I'm going to show you guys how cool that is here in just a second. Would you like to put them into a buyer messenger bot sequence, a seller messenger bot sequence, or where would you like to go? Okay, so let's just say we want them to book an appointment with us. So we're going to click right here, and look at this. It auto populates with this link here for you from your Facebook page. And look at this. This is the page that it pulls up where the lead can click and automatically schedule an appointment with you for the days of the week. So look, Friday the 24th, you've got all these appointments open. Okay, or maybe Saturday, or maybe like, hey, next week, next Wednesday, I want to go through and schedule something. So this will automatically sync with your Google Calendar. So anytime appointments come up on your Google Calendar, it will show that you're unavailable so that these leads can come in here, put in their phone number, automatically book appointments with you, and the system will automatically send text reminders and Facebook Messenger reminders so that person will make sure that they show up for that appointment. That's pretty cool, right? So let's just jump back over here. So we're saying we're going to book an appointment. We hit next, and then this is the final step, guys. Remember how I said 3 clicks? Okay, we're 2 clicks in. Now we just say, how much is your daily budget? Would you like to spend $10, $20? We recommend $10. I understand I'm responsible for paying this. Okay, and then down here, the target city, we're doing Denver for this, and so we're just going to type in Denver, and it pops up Denver, Colorado. We just select that, and then from here we take care of all the targeting on the back end. Okay, you don't have to worry about like, oh, what custom audiences, what lookalike audiences, what all this stuff. We just take care of all that for you and make sure that it's compliant with Facebook ads algorithm. Okay, and then you can see down here, here's an example of the ad creative. Okay, the headline, the subheadline, here's a view of what your ad looks like. And then from here, all we got to do is just click launch the ad. Okay, so now it's submitting right here. It's going through the process, creating the Facebook ad, the tracking, the landing page, all the follow-ups for you. All right, so it says campaign saved and created. So now we're going to come over here to the marketing dashboard, and we've got this test demo campaign right here that we just created, right? And we've got the landing page. You can pop this up. Welcome to the Denver homes under $500,000 list. This was already pre-built. It's got the Facebook pixel, Facebook tracking, Facebook custom conversions already installed on it. You didn't have to do anything. We just did all the heavy lifting for you. Okay, you can come over here. You can turn on or off the Facebook ad. You can check out what that ad looks like. If you want to come over here, promote it to your text message list, your email list, you can easily do that. You can come over here. We've already created all the email and text message follow-ups for you. Okay, look at this. You send out this email immediately. We've got this text message that goes out a minute later, and then we have email and text follow-ups for an entire 360 days. And you just made this happen in just 3 clicks. I mean, how cool is that, right? Okay, so now we can come over here. If you wanted to go through, if you wanted to customize this, you can make changes to the template or whatever. Hit publish. Okay, you can go over here, create a new email or a new SMS follow-up, whatever you want. And then in addition to all this, we have all of the tracking and analytics, so you can go through and set all this up. Okay, so you've got the Facebook ad, when it was started, what time it was started. Okay, it's been running for 1 minute now. We've sent how many emails, opens, clicks, scheduled, how many SMSs were sent, received, scheduled. You can see all of the details plus the leads over time. Okay, so guys, this is so powerful. So if you're looking to set up Facebook ads for your real estate business, these are the 3 best Facebook ads that consistently generate leads for less than $5 per lead, time and time again. This is the exact Facebook ad copy. And like I said, if you drop a comment down below, I can share this Facebook ad copy with you 100% for free. Now, if you want to go through and have us help you go through and set all this up, we're actually running a 30-day lead generation challenge where we'll help you generate 15 real estate leads within the next 30 days. And we'll have someone on our team actually help you get this all set up and get your first lead campaign running A to Z so that you can start generating a consistent flow of leads with these top 3 Facebook ads for realtors. So anyway, guys, if you guys want more information on that, check out the link in the top comment as well as in the description. We've had hundreds of real estate professionals go through this lead challenge with amazing success. So we want to invite you to be able to partake in this as well. So with that said, guys, thank you so much for watching. Give this video a like, a thumbs up if you guys found it helpful. Also drop a comment down below. Just type in real estate leads if you guys want that Facebook ad copy, that template, everything, and I will share that with you. So with that said, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.